Excel has a great computational capability when it comes to working with dates and times, and also it has a number of built-in functions that allow us to work with dates and time efficiently. We can enter dates either by slash or dash. Let's enter by slash separator first. Check it. 8 1 20 20, and we can enter the same value with a dash separator. Here the result will be the same. 8 1 20 20. It will be the same. Yeah, it's the same result. Some country may start with a month and others may start with a date. You can format to change it to this type and click OK. So it looks like this one, and if we mistakenly enter the date like this one, 2/30/2020, Excel put as it is. That means it does not consider it as a date entry. This is because there is no 30 days in February. We can check this by this format type, so it doesn't change it, so it does not understand that is a date value. So we should correct this one. 28, it will be yeah, that's good, that's correct. You can also enter time. We can type like 4 1 4 and 3 8. Can make it like this one also. 30 p.m. make it p.m. so it understands what we want to do.